Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start with safety and access, park level, chalk wheels, and disconnect the battery negative. Once done, raise the front slightly and support on jack stands so you can reach wheel wells comfortably. Remove the front wheels for better access and use a trim tool to pop plastic rivets. Begin by loosening upper clips and the 10 mm bolts along the grill line. These are the first fasteners holding the bumper. Make sure to organize hardware in labeled containers as you remove it. Once the visible fasteners are out, you need to find hidden anchors. Fold back the inner liners to reveal 8 mm and 13 mm bolts in the wheel arches. Undo those next. If there are fog lamps or sensors, unclip the wiring harness and set connectors aside. You want to avoid tugging on wires. Work from both sides toward the center, feeling for any remaining screws under trim pieces. If a clip resists, pry gently to avoid breaking the plastic and check for a missing bolt. Support the bumper with your hands or a helper, then pull outward evenly along the edges while guiding it away from alignment tabs. Once it clears, disconnect any remaining harnesses and set the bumper on a soft surface. Inspect tabs and clips for damage. Replace broken clips before reinstallation and note their locations. If the bumper is stuck, recheck for missed fasteners and consider a hairdryer to warm and soften plastic seams so they flex more easily. Make sure to test lights and sensors after.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.